Welcome to the course on how to make a website from start to finish. In this course, we'll teach you how to make a website using Divi and other platforms, especially WordPress. So in this course, you will learn why you need a website, how to pick a hosting service, set up the website platform, design the home page, some tips and tricks, and then some next steps once you have a website. And before we get started with this course, you might want to consider how to do research for a website, even come up with a name and a mission for the website. If you don't have a logo idea, you probably should consider that as well. And last but not least, try to buy the domain name for the website before you start working on the website. And so without further ado, let's get this course started.